YouTube Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you tune in to Click React, man. Meek Mill finally dropped his video for God Did. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe right now, bro. Hit that shit right now. Drop a like and turn on post notifications, man. Let me know what you think about this song, man, because I definitely, for me, Meek Mill is like, obviously he's not better than Drake, but for me, he's my favorite rapper just because I feel like those things come from being relatable, you know what I'm saying? So I really do fuck with Meek Mill's music. So it is what it is. I think he's really up there as like top 3 for me. You know, don't like come for me now. But guys, I appreciate you for watching as usual. We're just gonna get right into it, man. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Meek Mill, close friends, dreams and nightmares. Yo, honestly, dreams and nightmares have been going on for a long time. I don't know if it's more dreams now or more nightmares, man, but it do seem like the dreams are up and up. Guess he's just advertising though.
I don't even know why these niggas even be trying to count me. I'm too unpredictable. Shit too easy.
Yo, honestly,
Yeah.
I think this beat is too fire, bro. It's just the guy in the background singing whatever. The beat is fire. It's a Meek Mill beat for real, bro.
When the teacher asked me who I raised me, said them streets did. They underrated me, never paid me, but them streets did. Who brought the billionaires to the hood? Gonna tell
Yo, no, I gotta pull that shit up. Nah, this guy's too cold, bro. Come on.
you predictable.
Come on,
too
man. Streets did.
Yeah. When the teacher asked me who I raised me, said them streets did. They underrated me, never paid me, but them streets did. Who brought the billionaires to the hood? Gonna tell you Meek did. Who bringing real niggas home for good? Gonna tell you Meek is. That's cause my
Yo.
mama taught me different. I got people praying for me from all
The beat is too fire, bro. The man's flow is too sick.
religions. Never turn my back on Jigga, and every time he talk, I listen. But I got so much murder on my mind that it be hard to listen. Billionaires on all my visits. PTSD starting to kick you. It was a
Simple
blessing.
stuff.
I invested my taxes out the kitchen. Told my niggas how to catch it. Flipping gave them opposition. Still be out in Philly where they drilling, and I call them niggas. 'Cause I come from the dark side. I don't make it cop.
Only thing that's not fire about this video is those green whack ass glasses he was just wearing. But this shit is fire.
Now I gotta feed my family, bring my sons and all our daughters with us. I don't even need no Grammy, I put a check print the whole corner with us. My first song I ever dropped, still performing, nigga.
True.
On the 10th year, bitch, she
That's
5th
facts.
ass, I'm in 5th gear. Bitch, bad ass for 20 racks, I'm like, bitch, where? You the type get around on rich folks, start to get weird. I'm the type get around on rich folks, I'm trying to split shares. I'm so sincere, I do not live in fear. Give me a glicky with a switchy and we in there. It cost $450 to hit your city, I had to live there. I was fucking with the street niggas, I had hit the baddest bitch there. And I'm humble when I meet niggas, I don't never lack, cause I been there. Kill my homie at 17, I don't never lack, I know I ain't shit fair. I was down bad, I had to sit there.
This spin off on the God is lit, bro.
It just
I
waited
can't
out,
lie.
nobody in my hood ain't go this far, I had to pay this out. You pussies really think I came this far to let y'all hit me out? I'm sliding through the trench, bulletproof car that can't even take me out. Sitting at the bank like I was staking out. Tell a thing I'm tripping.
This song is a song on repeat. I already always had it on repeat. Like now, I'm downloading the fucking video, man, and I'm gonna be watching this shit over and over. This video is tough.
I need 10 million cash, trying to take it out right now, miss. AP sitting pretty on my brown wrist. Okay, pray my fans forgive me, I had lost it and found it. I lost it and found it once I seen it, got around and counted me out, but they miscounted. They counted this out. I still finding about bitches slime in the south. Niggas lying about. Like what you sliding about? Don't stand for nothing to what you dying about. Just say my man.
Bro, nah. The lyrics, I gotta pull back that part, man. This shit is too cold. Who doesn't fuck with Meek Mill? I'm so happy him and Drake mended their shit, bro, because I felt like people were just down on him because of that. But the man is tough, bro. Let's be real. Like, are we hearing this shit right now?
They got around and counted me out, but they miscounted. They counted this out. I start finding about bitches slime.
They definitely did count him out when him and Drake were beefing.
I'm in the south, niggas lying about. Like what you sliding about? Don't stand for nothing to what you.
But why did he get up like that, bro? What you sliding about?
Just see my man down the ground, like what did you crying about? I get this famous.
PMB, damn, RIP.
When you know that MJ died in this house, or them Yankees, I ain't perfect, but I ain't let nobody hurt me. And I'm from Philly, I do the serving, no, I ain't let nobody serve me. You don't cook something, young and try and go. I told him, show me something. He'll take your plate if he know you ain't standing overnight. Flops at my roller, y'all thought I'd wait till I go or something. Invested 20 million, I ain't even waiting on no short, nothing, I'm still maxing. Real shooters with me like the real Maxi. I was at the game, I let Tierra hold my real patty. Had it in my pocket, I let her rock it cause her hair match. She know how we rockin', we been like slow and air match. My hood like Fear Factor. Switchy ripped his face off and left his head damaged.
Yo, are you guys taking it that the man's flow is not even matching the beat, but the man's, it's just on beat? Like, it's super fast, it's a slow beat, bro. The man's killing the shit.
Preaching at the view, either giving out weird answers. Talking about God did it, niggas want revenge at them. Talking about doing spins at them. I come from the bottom and take your loss and get your wins at them. And on my...
This is real music, bro. We gotta be honest, man. Like, I'm not... there's other artists that have, like, you know, lyrics in there and catchy shit in there, but this is like real music. The whole song, bro, like, it's just bars and bars.
I take a squad to get my bins at them. Make $100 million and still go get my friends at them. And that don't go for everybody, just the only ones that been back. For me, I will never sell my soul for money like I'm Kanye. Cause I used to bang you in my cell house on lock day. Famous bitches got my idols looking at me sideways. I don't need...
what? I've never... What?
It's crazy, I used to bang you and sell my soul for money like I'm Kanye. Sell my soul for money like I'm Kanye. It's crazy, I sell my soul for money like I'm Kanye.
Yeah, man,
Crazy, I used to bang...
He said it definitively in that clip right there. I'm sure Kanye is gonna respond to that shit.
My cell house on lock day. Famous bitches got my idols looking at me sideways. I don't need no verses from them niggas, I did it my way.
Nah, bro. Meek is the guy. Meek is the guy. I don't care what nobody says, man. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think he did it on this chart, man? I'll see you guys in the next